The Rosebud Railway was established in 1999 and now has over 1,200 feet of track. It includes 6 lines which are connected, and all trains park in the garage. The main line is an automated block system which will run 3 trains. It is all on a trestle that goes through a mountain and back through the garage. There are 2 ground-level lines, one a freight, another a logging, a raised trolley line that winds around a mountain, and a cog line that runs to the garage roof. Features include a dairy farm, scratch-built buildings and bridges, and a grain elevator complete with silos. The Rosebud Railway is surrounded with roses on 3 sides. If you like a lot of action, come and enjoy.